Hey y'all, my name is Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and today we're gonna learn another double green triangle, but this one will be out of the 1.5 mount. This is what the trick looks like. Today I'm using the Silenus Yo-Yo. I don't think I've used this in a video before, so I wanted to call that out. I also always put the information on the yo-yo I'm using in the description, so keep that in mind. And without further ado, let's learn the trick. So as I mentioned, this trick is going to start in a 1.5 mount or 1.5 mount, and that just looks like this. So if you throw a trapeze, you can kick it out and kick it over your throw hand, and then just mount the yo-yo here. That's a 1.5 mount. So after we get in the 1.5 mount, we're actually going to dismount, but we're gonna go over this back string here. So it's going to go like this and form kind of an X shape, and that is the second step. So 1.5 mount, dismount into this kind of X shape towards you, and then the last part, you're going to have this open section here. It's gonna be a lot like the double green triangle I teach in my pizza trick videos. So you're gonna land the yo-yo on the string by swinging it over and going through this part here. So that will look like this. 1.5 mount, back towards you, make the X, open this up, swing it through onto that string, then you curl this finger on your non-throw hand and drop this finger on your throw hand. So now you've got your double green triangle. You can dismount a few different ways. My favorite is to hop the yo-yo up, land it on both strings and hop it out, or you can just jump through that top triangle. So once again, the whole trick is going to look like this. Okay, and you can just hop it out if you want to. And that's it, y'all. It's a quick one today, but hopefully you've learned something new and you can now do a double GT out of a 1.5 mount. If you have questions, as always, leave them in the comments below, and always be respectful in the comments. Y'all have been doing a really good job, and I really appreciate keeping it a nice, fun, helpful community. My name's Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and we'll see you next time.